Intuition. Do you know how to recognize it? When you have a problem, you might deal with it in a variety of ways. Before making a choice, some of you usually ask your close family or friends, while others try to listen to themselves. This is why some people don't take certain routes, while others turn down jobs that seem great. So can you tell if it's your intuition or your fear trying to tell you something? Before we dive into how to recognize intuition, let's look at what intuition is. Intuition is a natural ability that enables one to know something in the absence of any supporting evidence from the outside world. A feeling that compels one to take action, despite the absence of any reasonable justification. Now that we know what intuition is, here are ways to recognize it. Number 1. The information that is obtained through intuitive processing is not backed up by an argument. When you get an idea that looks extremely unusual in comparison to other thoughts that you've had, it's more likely to have originated from the genuine wisdom that you possess within you. Number 2. The voice of intuition is kind and does not force itself onto one. If following what you believe to be your intuition results in a strong want to act, then that desire most likely originates from somewhere else, perhaps fear. Number 3. Genuine intuition has an ethereal character, similar to that of dreams. When it does occur, it may only last for a split second, making it difficult to feel it again with the same level of intensity. If you come across something similar, make sure to jot it down so you don't forget. Number 4. The answer that is really intuitive is supported by the body. If you have a positive physical reaction when you get the idea or the impulse, then you should follow through with it. Pay the utmost attention to any sensations you get in your abdominal region. The intelligence of the body is unquestionably superior to that of the mind in every conceivable way. Number 5. Intuition is ephemeral, but enduring at the same time. Ideas that are derived from demands or mind parasites frequently contradict one another and shift from one day to the next. On the other hand, one's intuition does not shift from one day to the next, despite the fact that it speaks in a softer tone. You can contact your inner teacher as many times as you feel you need to, and he will never give you a different answer each time. Number 6. Any intuitive information will invariably give rise to an instantaneous creative manifestation. Are you able to sing the thoughts that come to you intuitively? Do you draw it with grace and ease? Could you dance it? Therefore, there is some truth to the message, and you should allow it to direct you. Have you ever experienced these signs before? If yes, how did you handle it? Leave a comment down below. If you love this video, give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.